Number 4, you should make it on billboards or on your colleges, on your universities, this information. Number 5, you should take a protest. As many people as possible.
Protest, protest could mean violent
but peaceful
or peaceful.
Which is a peaceful protest.
That's right.
We cannot be like them. Just because they do some atrocities, it should be peaceful protests. Large numbers. That is number 5. Number 6, see to it that we can boycott the products. If we boycott starting to have products, the Israeli products, it will be an economical burden
impact.
For them. So number 6 is boycotting the products. Number 7, we can give whatever charity we can for the cause of Palestine, whether for aid, for reconstructing the country, for rebuilding the hospital, for rebuilding the school, whatever you can. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala looks at the percentage of the donation, not about the amount. So I tell that if a person who earns $1,000 a month, and if he gives $100, it is better than a person who earns $1 billion and donates $1 million. A person who earns $1 billion a month and donates $1 million, he is giving 0.1% of his earnings. And the poor man who's earning $1,000 and giving $100 is giving 10%. So the $100 will get him 100 times more blessings than the billion person who's earning $1 billion and giving $1 million. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Almighty God, looks at the percentage, not at the amount. So give charity. Then, and this 7 points any Muslim can do.